Ever wondered how to grow your own tomatillos from those you buy at the store? Imagine the freshness, the accessibility, the cost saving, and the pure satisfaction of cultivating your own food. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to turn store-bought tomatillos into your very own tomatillo plant. First, it's all about preparation. Begin with a ripe, store-bought tomatillo. Gently peel off the papery husk and wash the fruit clean. Extract the seeds carefully, ensuring not to damage them in the process. With your seeds ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Now let's get those seeds into the soil. Start by selecting a well-draining soil mix and a pot with ample drainage holes. Fill the pot about 2/3 full with your soil. Create tiny holes about 1/4 inch deep, placing each seed in its own hole. Cover lightly with soil and water gently. Remember, these seeds don't need to swim, just a sip will do. Place the pot in a warm, sunny spot and keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. With your seeds in the soil, it's time to exercise some patience. Growing plants require care and attention. For your tomatillo plant, remember to water it regularly, but avoid overwatering. It loves sunlight, so a sunny spot would be perfect. Keep an eye out for yellowing leaves, a potential sign of distress. Expect sprouts within 2 to 3 weeks. As it grows, ensure it has ample space and continue to monitor its health. With consistent care, your tomatillo plant will thrive and reward you with fresh tomatillos. The best part of growing your own tomatillos? The harvest. When they're ready, the husks will be filled out and the fruit inside firm. Just pluck them gently off the vine. Now you can enjoy fresh homegrown tomatillos right from your backyard. And there you have it. We've journeyed from selecting ripe tomatillos to planting the seeds, nurturing the plant, and finally harvesting your own homegrown tomatillos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.